Good morning, everyone. And today, May 26th, we will start a review for the end of the year assessment. And our review today will start with some word problems. Let's start with this one. An online company lets you download songs for 0.99 each after you have paid a $5 membership fee. Which domain would be most appropriate to calculate the cost to download songs? Okay, what is the domain? We know that the domain is the values of X, of the values of the inputs, of the set of the inputs. Okay, uh, if we want to write like algebraic expression to represent this scenario, do you know what we uh, should do, or how can we write this expression? We look for these numbers: $0.99 each and $5 as membership fee. This $5 you pay it for only one time. If you read this after you have paid a $5 membership fee, so you will pay it only one time. That means it's a constant number. It will not change ever. It's $5. This will change $0.99 each year means each song 0.99x. We have to add a variable because we have this word each. Okay, each here means this x. Now we are talking about the domain, which is the x values or the input values, and the x values here is the number of songs. Okay, so let's read this read these options you have. Rational numbers greater than 0. We know that the rational number has decimal numbers and fractions. So we can't choose this one because the number of songs can't be half song or two-thirds. It can't be. Okay? This X, the domain, we talk about the domain, should be a whole number, not a fraction or a decimal. Let's see the other one. Whole numbers greater than or equal to 1. That's correct. If you think about this one, the number of songs you may download may be 1, 2, 3, 4, not negative numbers, not integers, or it shouldn't be decimal number or fraction. So it should be whole numbers greater than or equal to 1 because we talk about the number of songs. The domain here is the number of songs. Okay. The third one, integers less than or equal to 0, means -1, -2. You can't download -1 song. Whole numbers less than or equal to 1. It's the same. Less than or equal to 1 may be negative whole numbers or negative fractions like -half, -2/3. So all of these are not correct. Only number 2 is a correct answer. Let's see another example. Sarah bought an ice cream bar for $1.50 and 3 bags of pretzels. Write an expression to represent the total cost of the items depending on the price per bag of pretzels. Okay, so um, she bought an ice cream bar for, and ice cream means only one, so it's $1.50. and 3 bags of pretzels plus 3 bags of, I don't know how much is the bag of pretzels. So it's each one may cost X. Okay, so she will pay $1.50 plus 3 times X. X here is the price per bag. Okay, this is the total amount of money that she will pay. Okay, another example. Sorry. Okay, to watch a varsity basketball game, spectat- spectators must buy a ticket at the door. The cost of an adult ticket is $3 and the cost of a student ticket is $1.50. If the number of adult tickets sold is represented by A and the number of student tickets sold is represented by S, which expression represents the amount of money collected at the door from the ticket sales? Means we need the total amount of the money. Okay, so how many um, tickets for adult tickets? A, the number, and the price will be A times $3, means 3 times A. Okay, 3 times A. We can write it as $3 times A. And how many student tickets? S. How much each one? 1.50. So we have $3 for each adult ticket, $150 for each student ticket. This is the total. Okay, this is the total amount of money. And which one is the correct answer here? Is the last one. Okay, the last one we have Jessica buys some scarves and hats. The scarves cost 5 each. $5 each scarf. The hats cost 8 each. Scarf, okay, S, hats, H. How much is the total? Alright, an expression. Expression here means don't put equal sign to represent the number of dollars that she spends on scarves and hats. How many scarves we have? Scarves, S, and each one costs 5. How many hats we have? H, each one costs 8. Okay, this is the total amount of money. I think it's very easy. I hope you understand this review today about some word problems, expressions. How can we write an expressions? And if you need any help, let me know. Have a good day. Bye.